traders, this is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Friday, August 10th, 2012. The market opened up here this morning at 1394.5. This is a representation in a higher time frame chart showing the whole day. Our opening range, as price action remains in the opening range, does tend to be choppy. Once we got a nice clean breakout of our opening range, we had an opportunity to get long into a hook pattern, or on the lower time frame chart, you'll see we had a couple wave patterns set up. And then as we went on, just before the no trade zone, another opportunity to get long. And if you enter a trade before getting into a no trade zone, you stay with the trade. We just don't want to enter any new trades during the no trade zone. And then outside of the no trade zone, another opportunity to get long and ride this thing up to the 1400 level, which was the hourly range high, and then also the Globex range high, as well as the hook pattern completion target. We kept those two lines in there. We had a lot of lines up around 1402.5, and that's exactly where it stalled for the rest of the day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shorter time frame chart. Okay, so here we're looking at a lower time frame chart. When the market opened it from 9:30 till 9:45, we tend not to take any trades. And coming out of the no trade zone, we had some relative chop hanging around opening price 1394.5, and then a nice little breakout for a pullback to our moving average for about 11 ticks on this particular trade. We then broke through. This is a very fast move that came through after our moving average, and we knew that the pressure was to the upside. Had another opportunity to get long right in through here at about 11:25, just prior to going into the no trade zone. So I want you to keep in mind, from 11:30 to 1:15 is a period of time that we generally do not trade, and if you did stay in this trade, you can get up to 16 ticks, which was a nice clean trade for a sideways choppy market, as we have seen over the last, say, week and a half or so. They talk about the July and the August doldrums, which is exactly what we're experiencing coming out of the no trade zone. So if you're able to get 4 ticks or 8 ticks on scalp trades, be grateful. Some of these trades set up so nicely. This one is a minimum. We had 3 contracts running on this one, 18 ticks to 21 ticks on this particular move. If you did not get in on this wave trade, another opportunity to get in on this second follow-up wave trade right here to get long. And just, if you had the fortitude to hold on, work your way up to the 1400 level right here. Notice how it stalled. Nice clean pullback to get some of the short sellers coming in, and then they ripped it up against them, ran up to 1402.5, which is where they ended the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the Shark Den on Monday morning.